everybody. My name is Mary Hackett. I'm the high school principal of Inwood Academy for Leadership, and I'm really excited to talk to you about our academic programming. When Inwood Academy was founded 11 years ago, it was founded on the belief that our students are agents for change and they're assets to their community. Because of this, our instructional and college and career readiness program really centers on the idea that we need to equip our students not only to be successful in college and their career, but we also want to make sure that they're well-rounded students and people. We do that through explicit teaching of character education in advisory classes, making sure that our students are ready for college and the world beyond through our college and career readiness program, and that our students are community-focused leaders. That means that we do projects within the community to make sure that we're taking care of not only our school, but our city, our neighborhood, and our state. Our academic program is designed to make sure that students are graduating Inwood Academy prepared for college or whatever career choice they might have. Because of that, our program follows New York State guidelines, but we also have some space for different electives to offer that are unique to Inwood Academy. We offer some AP courses in our junior and senior years to make sure that our students are taking rigorous courses. We also partner with BMCC to have our College Now program where some of our students are enrolled in college classes while simultaneously attending school at Inwood Academy. Something that's a little bit different about our academic program is that we have a lot of electives that schools maybe don't have in New York City. One thing we're really proud of is our woodworking program. Students in our school are able to take woodworking starting sophomore year and begin to make things with their hands. We've got some students who have made guitars, desks, shelves. It's a program that a lot of our students are really excited about. We also have video journalism that produces a news video for our students every week to know what's going on in the Inwood Academy community. We've got a drama program, visual arts, as well as just your traditional math and science courses. Most of our classes are taught by 2 teachers, one special education teacher and one lead content teacher to make sure that students with IEP's needs are being met. Additionally, we offer SETS programming. We're really proud to have a self-contained class for English and math to make sure that students who have small class designation are getting the help and support they need. We offer SETS services, speech and language, as well as counseling services on site from counselors who are Inwood Academy staff. Beyond just our regular academic program, we also have extracurricular activities where students can continue their passions for art outside of the classroom. We've got things like our drama club that puts on 2 plays a year, as well as any other student-led club or adult-led club. If there's a club that you want to exist at Inwood Academy, all you can do is fill out an application, get an advisor, and you've got a club. So we've got student-led book clubs, we've got choir, we have a video game club, lots of different clubs, as well as a student council to make sure that your voice is heard and that we're making our school a better place. If creative arts isn't your thing, we also have an extensive athletic department with many different sports going on every single season. So there's something for every student at Inwood Academy. One thing that makes our school unique is our college and career readiness program. We want to make sure that our graduates are ready for whatever they want to do, be it college or career. Our goal and our job is to make sure that we open every door with your student and that they graduate with a clear path and vision for what they want for their future. Because of that, we believe that it's really important our counselors follow students through their high school experience. So as your child comes to Inwood Academy, they'll have a grade level counselor that follows them all 4 years of high school to help them not only navigate high school, figure out what colleges they might want to apply to, what careers they may be interested, but also help them talk through the college application process, as well as submit college applications on site. We know that college can be really overwhelming, and so our goal is to partner with families as well as students to make sure that students graduate prepared for what comes next. Beyond just our counseling program, we also make sure that we have a CCR course that explicitly teaches students skills they may need in college and career and beyond. That course starts with freshman year, making sure that our students understand our philosophy of leadership. So our freshman year studies in leadership is really getting them acquainted to Inwood Academy for Leadership as our school. Then, junior and senior year, that course really focuses on SAT prep, college prep, career exploration, and thinking about what could come next. After a student graduates from Inwood Academy, we don't stop supporting. We're still there to make sure that our students can help navigate the college and career waters as they sort of go out into the world beyond our school. Because of that, we have 2 alumni counselors who support students as they enroll in college classes, but also make sure that their resumes are ready, that they're looking for different jobs and internship opportunities. We also have a transition counselor, who's a counselor specifically working with students who maybe don't want to go a traditional route straight to college and maybe are more interested in a vocational career or starting in the workforce right away. We know that these are certainly unprecedented times, but as a school, it's our goal and our commitment to make sure that we're following all CDC guidelines and safety guidelines as outlined by the state. We don't know what next fall will look like, but as a school, we're committed to making sure that we're keeping our students and our community safe.